Still doesn't work. I redid all the wiring again. I still don't know why it's not playing. I mean, try and get myself some new speakers or get this professionally rigged. It still was a great day. The thing runs great. That backfire was awesome, but the radio still doesn't work. But it does. I mean, I'm showing you that everything is still functional, just it doesn't play anything. So I hope you guys enjoyed this small update, and I'll see you on the next video. See ya.